Alright guys, so today we're going to make this, it's called Skillet Dinners Pasta and Meat Sauce. All you need to add is ground beef, water, and milk. That's what it looks like. So I got this at Safeway. I don't know if you guys have Safeway near you, but it was $1.25. I would just try it out and review it for you guys. So what I need to do first is fry 1 pound of ground beef. Alright, as I'm frying the beef, I feel like it needs some more spices, even though it doesn't say to add spices. I'm probably going to add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of spices. Alright, now some salt. Some pepper, just a little bit. Some garlic powder. And a little bit of this 21 season salute from Trader Joe's. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Once the meat is brown, you're going to add 1 cup of hot water. And you're also going to add 2 cups of milk. So you want this stirring occasionally. Slowly stir the milk in. All right, now we're going to add the macaroni. And you're going to add the sauce mix. And then you're going to go ahead and mix thoroughly. Yep, mix it real good. It should be interesting. I haven't had one of these box meals in a while. It looked good. It was kind of cheap. And the sauce is a nice cream color. So after you mix it, you're going to boil it on high heat. That's the next step. Alright, so it's boiling now. I'm going to go ahead and cover it. I don't have a lid big enough for this pan. I hope I'm just covered with this cutting board. And you're supposed to simmer it and check up on it and stir it occasionally for like the next 10 minutes. So since that's simmering right now, I'm going to make a salad. It's a simple salad with ranch dressing. Alright, it's been simmering for the last 10 minutes. Let's see if the pasta's done or not. Yeah, it's done. So what they're saying is you're supposed to leave it like this uncovered for the next 3 to 5 minutes so the sauce gets thickened. As you can see, it's still kind of runny a little bit. Should be a little bit thicker. So that's what I'll be doing. I'm gonna stop stirring this and just leave it here for 3 to 5 minutes so it can thicken. And then I'll be eating outside. It's been maybe about 5 to 7 minutes. I want to taste this. Oh my god. It's so good. Alright, we're going to plate it up. We're going to do a video outside. I don't know how much I want, but alright, that should be good enough. Yum! Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the pasta and the salad with ranch. I'm eager to try this pasta out. Let's give it a try. It's really good, actually. Kids will love this dish. We're drinking water to drink. It's super hot today, so I decided to eat outside. But yeah, this is really good. The beef is nice and tender. It's organic beef.
They should have
Right now you hear neighbors walking on the street. I don't care.
That's why I don't accept. The administrators will always complain. Oh, you gotta do this and you gotta do that. You made 6 figures. What do you think you're gonna do? I think the lawyer complained about.
Let's try some salad. Okay. So today I posted my sandwich collab, June collab with Fabi Boom, Dusty Footy, and a bunch of other Mukbang ASMR artists. And so far, I think 4 people did their videos today for sandwiches. So that was really cool to see. It was cool to see other people, what they had for their sandwiches and their Mukbang ASMR videos. So thank you, Toasty Pudding, Fabi Boom, for doing this collab idea. So it's a great idea because you can find new ASMR mukbang videos that you've never heard of because they have low views or just don't pop up in your feed for some reason. But on this one girl, I forget her name, I think her name Lisa something, and she kind of looks like me. Her hair is kind of reddish. Her hair is kind of short, but it's reddish like mine, kind of. And her voice is really soft. I think she labels it as ASMR. She talks softly, but I don't think she whispers. So that was really cool. I found somebody new I liked. So I was gonna do tacos today, but I was like, you know what? The next couple of days it's gonna be like almost 100 degrees. I might as well just do tacos. I'm probably gonna go to taco shop and just eat it maybe here. I don't want to cook this week after today because it was so hot. That noise, you're hearing the trash can. It's Monday night, so people are probably bringing their trash cans in or taking them out. I'm not sure what day it is. We're taking them out. So Monday night, we got for tomorrow the trash can.
Who's carrying trash cans windy? How does it get y'all windy when you carry trash?
So yeah, Tuesday morning the trash comes, picks up our trash. So a lot of people come out Monday night and do the trash. So this is from Safeway. I recommend it. I'm not sure what I would rate it. I would say between 4 to 5, maybe 4.2. You know, because I don't think it's super healthy, but it tastes really good and it's pretty cheap. So if you're looking for like a really cheap meal for your family, or kids probably would love this dish. It's really I think the sauce is really cheesy too. That's really good. This is a very low budget. All I needed was a ground beef, and I actually had a little bit less ground beef because I think I used a little bit for a hamburger. So this took a little bit of pasta out, thinking, I don't know. It's really good. might have this again one day this week. It's a simple, easy meal. And then I might, if I have something left over, what I usually do is I freeze pasta. And I'll just get like a bag of $2 salad mix from Walmart. It's like a really cheap meal. Whenever I feel like pasta or if I have salad left over, it's an easy meal. So it's very budget friendly. So yeah, good cheap meal. After I eat this, I'll probably like, maybe I'll edit my vlog. My vlog for this week is gonna be so long because I'm editing a work vlog, and that's gonna be a few minutes, but it'll be fun. When I filmed my coworkers, it was really slow that day. And there was like, it was just like there's nobody around, and it was so easy to film it, you know. But lately there's a lot of managers around, so it's really hard to film with managers around. You hear the sirens? Crazy stuff going on tonight, guys. This year, man, it's been terrible. I got some, so last couple of days I got some new shirts on eBay and Amazon, because some of the restaurants are open, but we don't really have like the mall. We'll have to travel like 30 minutes or an hour away. So I decided, what the heck, I'm just gonna just see if I can find something on eBay and Amazon. I don't even know. I hope they fit. But you know, you buy clothes, sometimes a large might be too small. So we'll see. Hopefully these shirts will fit. I'll show you. This is actually an old shirt, but I was like, I need some new clothes for my videos. I feel like I wear the same clothes for my videos. So before the video, I put on 4 shirts, and this one looked the best on me, so that's why I chose this one. There's also like a purple tie shirt that looked really good on me, but I decided to wear this one. This one looked the best on me, so. So after a while, this is a little salty. Might have some artificial products in here. I don't know. Yeah, it's salty. So because of the saltiness, I'm gonna rate that 4 out of 5. But 7 p.m. right now. Nice weather. It's really cool. It's not too hot. It was like 100 degrees last week, and now it'd be 100 degrees again this week. Oh my god. So having a great day today. I don't know what day I'll be posting this, but today is Monday. We'll see when I post this video. Really low energy, like 3 days straight, or last week, but now I feel like it's getting back to normal. My energy is really good right now. That's good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next video. Peace.